So today the goal is to come in here and we're outfitting ourselves for the tools for Tipsy's Woodworking. You already saw it packed up in the trucks. So we're moving that over to the new shop, setting up, and then building out stuff, building out shelves, building out everything that we need to make this thing happen. So the crew is already kicking ass. I don't even know why I'm here. Like I'm just here. they're doing an amazing job. So Matt's taking charge of this. He's got experience. He's a retired Army, Purple Heart veteran. The guy, I think he was an engineer. He knows his stuff. So we brought him on, and just a really good hire right off the bat. And it's been nice having him here because the things that I don't know, Matt is a pro at. And then, you know, he's never done lathing, I've done turning, so it's like we kind of offset each other, and it's great, man. It's a good matchup between him and the two new hires that we brought on today, whose names I still don't know, but I know their faces, so I'll eventually get there. It is what it is, so.
Hey guys, welcome to Tipsy's Woodworking Shop. As you can see, we are in our virgin state of getting it all together. Far side of the room, we're just bringing in our tools. That is going to be finishing side, or the clean side, i.e. staining, polyurethane, and then shipping and receiving. Between the two rooms, there'll be a wall. And then this side, where the lovely 70s, 80s carpet is going to get torn up. Then all our production will be on this side. All the lathes, CNC machines, table saws, you name it, it's going to be on this side where we make your dreams come true. So again, welcome to Tipsy's Woodworking Shop.